Why are there more and more people talking about culinary recipe creations? Because experimenting in the kitchen is deliciously fun. That's why. Join us for delectable foodie tutorials that will transform your cooking game. From savory starters to decadent desserts, we've got you covered. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest mouth-watering creations. Love what you see? Drop us a like, leave a comment, and share our videos with your fellow food enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you even more scrumptious content. So sit back, relax, and let us handle the cooking entertainment. Stay tuned in, because it's cooking time. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your new favorite kitchen corner. Let's create something delicious together.
Hey everyone, let's bake an American classic apple pie. It's the ultimate comfort food. Warm, sweet, and oh so delicious. Grandma's secret recipe? Nope, this one's easy peasy. Let's get started. You can almost smell the cinnamon, right? This recipe is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Don't worry, I'll guide you every step of the way. So grab your apron and let's bake. First things first, we gotta round up our ingredients. Don't worry, they're all simple pantry staples. Here's what you'll need. 6 large apples. Granny Smith or Honeycrisp are my favorites. Sugar. White granulated is perfect. All-purpose flour. We're gonna make that filling nice and thick. Cinnamon, the heart and soul of apple pie. Butter, because everything's better with butter, right? And last but not least, pie crusts. You can use store-bought or try my grandma's recipe. Got everything? Great! Now let's move on to the fun part. All right, partners, time to wrangle those apples. First, give them a good wash under cold water. Now peel those skins off. We want that sweet, juicy apple flesh. Next, grab your apple corer and remove the core. Now slice those apples into thin pieces. Not too thin though, or they'll disappear in the filling. Section 4, Sweet and Spicy Apple Magic. Okay, time to make that apple filling sing. In a large bowl, toss your apple slices with sugar, flour, and a generous sprinkle of cinnamon. Mix it all up with your hands. You want every apple slice coated in that sweet and spicy goodness. Section 5, Double Crust Delight. Fill that pie. Now grab your pie crusts. Place one crust in your pie plate, gently pressing it into the bottom and sides. Now pour in that delicious apple filling. Spread it out evenly with a spoon. Dot the filling with small pats of butter. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Now carefully place the second pie crust over the filling. Crimp the edges together to seal in all that yummy goodness. Section 6, Baking Time Sweet Aroma in the Oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 190 degrees Celsius for my friends across the pond. Place your pie on a baking sheet. This catches any drips. Bake for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Keep an eye on it though. If the edges of the crust start to get too brown, cover them loosely with foil. Once it's done, take it out of the oven and let it cool for at least an hour. This allows the filling to set. Serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Enjoy, y'all!
This is why you need to hit subscribe. Deliciousness awaits. Today, we're serving up some of the tastiest, easiest to make recipes you'll ever try. From savory dinners to sweet treats, we've got everything to satisfy your cravings. But don't just take our word for it. Join the Culinary Recipe Creations community and see for yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our drool-worthy dishes. Like this video if you're hungry for more and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to share with your fellow foodies and hit the notification bell for your daily dose of deliciousness. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our foodie recipe tutorial. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We hope to see you back here very soon. Take care and see you in the next video.